Okay, so welcome to very rainy Beijing. Just walking out for a very nice brunch place here. Always fun to sit down and enjoy some coffee with friends. I just had a workout before this with the whole team. One of the guys is moving to Berlin, so it was a great final session here. And tonight we're actually gonna have some roasted lamb. I haven't tried it before. I'm sure it's gonna be really nice. Gonna show some video probably in the background here.
Look at that piece of meat.
Okay, now we can take the temperatures down.
Let's put it on the plate. Juicy. Wait.
Yeah, I'm not disgusted. I love meat. Fantastic.
Oh, that's a nice piece. Thanks.
Fantastic. Thanks a lot. Nice to give someone that meat. Thank you. That's looking crazy. Whoa, nice. Could be worse.
Yeah, go. No, you told me. The lamb. Yeah, we can't beat lamb.
I drink for this kind of energy. This concentration of energy, emotions, power, and inspiration.
Wow.
So just very short.
But also last night and actually this whole week I've been very, very fortunate to go to a lot of really cool events. Last night was the traditional Swedish crayfish party with, you know, meatballs. We had some nice salmon, crayfish, obviously, a lot of amazing foods and drinks. Maybe I can even put in a bit of a singing here in the background. Yeah, always really fun to reconnect with people. So, of course, it's amazing to eat out and enjoy a lot of food. But if you do it, you know, all the time, every day, and indulge, maybe it's a bit hard to also stay fit and stay true to your goals. So I just wanted to share how I think a little bit about that. And earlier this week, also, I was invited to the Brazilian National Day events with some amazing beef goulash and some fish, a lot of tasty snacks being served. And of course, you want to fit those things in your life. You should, you know, I really appreciate this opportunity. I'm really happy I can get it. But I also want to make sure I get kind of good nutrition in. So I'm going to go home now and actually cook. I think I'm going to do a bit of squid and shrimp, very protein focused. So that's actually how I kind of think about my meals. So you can eat out a few times per week, of course. And also typically in the normal routine at work, I buy like a salad. Sometimes with chicken, sometimes with beef, some brown rice. But then when I'm not sort of eating out, I try to really keep it healthy and cook by myself. So you can basically mix in enjoying life, exercising, going to the gym while still having fun. Because for me, I don't believe that you have to go sort of all in and just only eat really healthy food. You have to be able to balance it. So that's just how I think very briefly about mixing enjoying life with friends and great food, but also reaching your fitness goal and getting stronger. So with that very, very short clip, I will leave you guys and see you in the next video. I realized also actually I was invited to a bit of a Swedish concert just through a lot of classic cover songs and bands. So if you want to see more of this kind of crazy stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Here, enjoy some fantastic music.
party. Connie and the Prelvis in the house. Free booze, free water, free everything.
Does your mother know? Who's your mother?
All that she wants is another baby. She's going to find a boy. All that she wants is another baby.
This is Connie and the Prelvits. Not the best musicians in town, because the best musician in town is not yet on stage. But he will soon come up.
Hon tar 100 grader. Du kan lita på mig, du kan lita på mig.